Hey traders, it's Danielle. Welcome to the free video. So today I'm going to be talking about Google. Google is a really strong ticker and it also has a very high probability of running going into earnings. You'll also notice that as of tomorrow, it is going to be entering the hot zone. You can see that there is a daily squeeze setting up. You've got earnings coming up for Q2 about July 29th. And what's really interesting is that last quarter, you can see that right at the beginning of the 21 bar average, that is when it took off and it actually traded all the way up above the 1618 retracement level. So looking at this quarter, I know it's at new highs. I know it's extended. The market's also really strong here. This does make it a little bit more of an aggressive trade. But I still think we could see a little bit stronger price action. So looking at the way I'd traded, I mean, there's a couple different things you can do. Number one, looking at targets overall. 2,500 is definitely a closer target. That is something that you could do to look at a little bit shorter dated. Definitely not all the way into the end of July, I would say. But this $2,600 price target is just really calling my name. Now, I know it's a little bit more risky. I know it's a little bit more out of the money. But based on, what Google did last quarter, especially when you look at their specific results, you can see that they were estimated to make about $15.46 a share, and they made $26.29 per share. So overall, that was a pretty massive beat. And typically when a company has a beat like that, the next quarter they tend to have a really good run into earnings. So overall, that's my idea. I haven't set up any trades yet, but I am going to be doing some live trading this week in my quarterly profits strategy. So basically what I'm doing, this is a new thing I'm doing this quarter where I'm going to be doing just some live trading sessions. So if you don't have the tool or if you already have the tool, basically you can join in. You're going to get the complete plan for July, which is going to be my overall macro outlook, sectors that I'm focusing on, tickers that I'm focusing on. Basically, I've narrowed everything down to the top high probability tickers along with lists of the ones that I definitely want to avoid. And those are going to be going to my quarterly profits live trading members. So if you want to see me there, go to simplertrading.com/quarterly. And other than that, I'll see you in the next one.
Hey traders, it's Danielle here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you will never miss the latest take from our trading experts. Did you know that we provide real-time trade alerts so that you know exactly what we're doing, exactly when we're doing it? Go to www.simplertrading.com to learn more. Good trading, and we'll see you in the next video.